the sea at the 33rd degree. You'll make me feel so special and free. But there's something in the air, turning stutters into stares. I'll look into your blue eyes and say, don't throw it all away. I'm here to make you stay with me. In the sun I look so pale, northern skin so thin and frail, but I try to close my eyes when everything starts fading. When I wake up from this dream, shivering under cold sheets, 10,000 miles away, I wish I was on King Street. Don't throw it all away. I'm here to make you stay with me. Newly risen, how brightly you shine. Something seems to give inside my heart when you're nearby. All I've given to you is vacant eyes. I don't understand, I can't figure it out, I can't figure it. On a park bench by the street at the 43rd degree, I'll sit and watch the snow fall and think